Hello everyone, Larry with Larry the Computer Guy here. We're an IT managed service provider in Commerce, Michigan. We specialize in cybersecurity and compliance. So for today's tech tips, how do you make your laptop battery last? Well, first make sure you discharge and charge the battery often. If you're using a laptop with a removable battery and you leave it in one place all the time, simply remove the battery and then just leave it connected to your AC adapter without the battery. Then once every couple months, put the battery back into the laptop and charge the battery. If you do not have a removable battery, most of the newer laptops now come with applications that will allow you to change the charge rates on your batteries so you don't wear them out. Next tip, if you accidentally close a browser tab and need to reopen it, you can use Control-Shift-T on a PC or Command-Shift-T on a Mac. Stay safe out there and have a great day.